role model, I'm the girl's role model. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip club. Jack girl, pretty face with a big pole.
What's poppin' in nation? It's your girl Dayla here, aka Miss Celeb. If you ain't gang, then you lame. What you saying? What you doing? And I'm back with another YouTube video. And today's YouTube video is going to be a tutorial on how to install this hot pink 18-inch wig from Lavyhair. They sent me this wig. It was originally a 613 wig, and I water dyed it hot pink, and I love it. Yesterday was my birthday, so I'm still celebrating. Yesterday I did honey blonde, today I did pink. How I installed this hair. Keep on watching this video and make sure you check out my description down below and check out Lavyhair and check out my shop. I also sell hair, clothes, lashes, bracelets, lip gloss, you name it, all of the above. Click the link down below and go shop with me, or if you want to snoop with me nosy, you can do that too. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then continue watching this video. So guys, you know you have to let the ball cap dry. Some people blow dry it, some people let it air dry. I'm gonna let it air dry because I got time, I got all day. So I'm gonna give this about 30 minutes and I'll come back at y'all when this is fully dry and hard. You know it's fully dry when it's hard and you can't feel any wetness. Like right now I feel so much wetness. And you will know it's dry when you can't feel any wetness. So if you would like to use a blow dryer, make sure you use your blow dryer on high, cool setting. Not heat, because that won't make it dry, that will make it melt and it'll be a disaster. So guys, now this is completely dry. I can rub my fingers across it and it's dry, no wet stains, no stickiness, nothing. So what I'm gonna do is cut it off and you guys will see me cutting it off. I like to use scissors on the end when I'm cutting. And you see, it's dry because it's not flapping up. When you don't let it dry, it'll flap all the way up and all this will be out. And it'll eventually roll back. So that's why you should let it dry. So I use scissors to cut the ear tabs. Let me make sure I don't cut nothing. And also the middle. And cut it closest to where you put your freeze spray, and then I'm just gonna cut the rest off with a razor. Going to take a little bit of the got to be glue with the yellow tube. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit and put it on my cap like this, because you see how it's rolled up. It'll bring the cap down and it'll give me a flat, flawless install, honey. So now I'm taking my Kiss Powder Foundation. Dark brown color. I don't know the exact color name, but I like to use this one because it's a powder. I don't like to use the liquid foundation because it's too runny for me. I like to use the powder. That way you can just dab it on and get one that matches your skin color, or one that matches as close to your skin color as possible, because this will show through your cap. This gives you the scalp illusion, so it's important that it matches your skin color. So now I just finished curling the hair, and I'm just gonna cut the lace. So I just use scissors and a razor. I just have to tie my edges down and let them dry. This is the finished look. I think I did good for my first time doing color hair. So if you guys like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more. And purchase some hair from Lavyhair. Look, y'all. Ooh. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill, you know the do, you know what to do. Thank you for watching. I love you. Period.